Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Hello, my name is Mrs. Keisha Everill. I'm a licensed director of infant development and early childhood education. I'm the co-owner and director of My Guardian Angels. I'm a dual educator in early childhood education and Montessori inspired. We all grow at different rates, and it's okay. Monti Kids is a subscription box Montessori ages 0 to 3 years old. Level 3, Week 1, Spinning Drum. Develops muscle tone and strength as baby pushes against gravity. Yes, let's open the box. Each level comes with a simplified lesson plan. Wow, this is so cute. With a beautiful picture of this little baby. Oh my gosh. Look at these Montessori toys, and it all comes inside this cute box. And this is made of some type of cardboard that fits in these cute little pockets. Wow. It's very firm, making it easy to pop in and out. So it says here to keep toys out of the play area until it's time to introduce the toy. Here on step 2, before introducing each toy, watch the demo video in your online account. Okay, definitely can do that. And here on step 3, they want us to introduce a toy and then keep the toy, the spinning drum, in the play area. Okay, got it. So it says here, toy 1 is called the spinning drum, and to introduce immediately. Okay, well, let's test it out first. Before I show you the demo and before I show you my son playing with the toy, I want to test out the quality and safety. Well, I must say, I definitely love the colorful pictures and the smooth finish that's on this box. And the spinning drum, it has like little miniature spinning drums on here. They're so adorable. They printed the logo. They have little customer service information on here. That is all just wonderful. It's definitely feeling like Christmas up over here. Wow, this looks wonderful. It's bigger than I imagined it would be. Okay, it's a little tough to get out, but hey, love that. Honestly, no one wants a toy being knocked around a box. So let me go ahead and put this box away. It feels lightweight, not too heavy for my son. Just put it here. Well, I see here that there are 2 screws that really hold it secure. That is really excellent. Yes, it's spinning quite gracefully. No hiccups. I see here that the wood isn't too smooth, but I'm sure that I could smooth it down myself or have my husband help me with smoothing this down. Well, that was definitely fun. Let me go ahead and put it away so that I can show you guys the demo. Now, the demo does not have the original voice on it, but I'll try to improvise. Here's the spinning drum. Introduce it to your child by first playing with it yourself. You use your left hand. You want to be able to spin it pretty dramatically so that your child can really get a sense of what you're doing. When you're spinning it, you put your hand right on the top and you just spin it just like that. What you don't want to do is come from the bottom and spin with your fingertips. You'll confuse the little baby. So you put your hand right on the top and spin it. Then you use your other hand. A lot of parents are introduced to milestones, and they'll be able to see that these milestones fit the Montessori way. You see this baby here is doing tummy time. And then here, she's crawling. And then here, she's already sitting up, just like the natural milestones. But it's just the Montessori way. I'm really enjoying Monti Kids. I can't wait for my daycare kids and my son to try it out. Well, this is the day one and his first attempt. My son is 6 months old. He's really reaching for it. That is wonderful. But you can see that his core is still weak because he's using his forearm and his wrist. He's kind of like leaning over some to be able to really touch the toy. So this is the same day in a different play environment, and this is his second attempt. As you can see, he's very determined. He's going straight to the toy. That's wonderful. So he's using his right arm to hold himself up. That's good. Oh my goodness. Oganevu, my little teether. You can see here that he's more prepared this time to really use his right arm and hold himself up. 2 hands, okay. I naturally just want to jump in and help him, but what you really don't want to do is slow down a baby when he or her is really determined. You know, that just shows that he's highly confident, he's very determined, he is focused, you know, and you don't want to slow that down. He bumped his little head, but he's just learning about cause and effect because he did not allow it to slow him down. He's just continuing to spin and use it as a teething toy. He's definitely just being very playful. I'm really proud of him. As my son continues on playing here, I just want to say thank you very much for checking out my video, checking out this review. I will be posting more reviews of all the Monti Kid kits. We currently have 1 through 4. This is my beautiful family. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe, and God bless you.